Homemade shaving cream for sensitive skin. Conventional shaving creams may often irritate the sensitive skin due to the synthetic chemicals present in them. The most problem-causing chemicals are: artificial fragrances are designed to mimic natural scents, but some people have an allergy to them. Regular exposure to such substances can lead to thyroid dysfunction, obesity, and even cancer. Phthalates are used to give a product the required softness, consistency, and prevent cracking. But they can also cause hormonal and metabolic disruption, and weaken the immune system. Triethanolamine serves as emulsifier and surfactant, but can irritate the respiratory system, and contribute to the development of prostate, bladder, and liver cancers. Shaving cream with natural ingredients. The best ingredients for sensitive skin are aloe vera gel and lavender essential oil, because they both have soothing properties. Aloe vera gel moisturizes the skin and facilitates the dead skin cell removal during shaving. Lavender essential oil helps soothe and relax skin cells after shaving, due to its anti-inflammatory properties. Other ingredients, such as coconut oil, shea butter, and olive oil, make a great shaving cream, which provides smooth and clean shaving, leaving your skin moisturized and silky afterwards. How to make it? Take a high-speed blender, and add in it 1/2 cup of coconut oil, 1/4 cup of shea butter, 1/4 cup of olive oil, and 2 tablespoons of aloe vera gel. Blend the ingredients for about 2 minutes or more, until you get a creamy and frothy mixture. Transfer the mixture into a clean container, add 15 drops of lavender essential oil in it, and mix well with the back of a spatula. Your natural shaving cream is ready. Use it as you would use a regular one. Notes: to prevent the drain clogging, just pour down a liter of hot water after shaving, and it will melt the cream. The razor itself can be the cause of razor burns, because the sensitive skin may react to metals the blade is made of, such as nickel, so better get a stainless steel razor, and sanitize it before use. Avoid using soap right after shaving, because your skin is more sensitive after that, and a harsh soap can irritate it easily.